Hello, hockey card collectors. This is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and we're here to do another break today. Today, I have the 2021-22 Star Rookies. Maybe there'll be an autograph. We'll see. This is from the 2015, the very first year of Star Rookies. Victor Svedberg, we'll put him over there for good luck. And we also have this guy, Nikolai Ehlers auto. This is, it's actually a sticker auto, I believe, yeah. And we'll put him over there. As I was saying before, 2015-16 was the first year that they came out with the Star Rookies. That's where those ones are from. And they've had them out pretty well every year. And I think they missed a year somewhere during the pandemic. But they've been bringing them out every year. They see the top rookies and maybe even get an autograph. So let's see what we got in here today. Autographs are very difficult to get, though. Oh, sorry, guys. Doesn't say the odds, I don't think, in here for the autos. But it just says select boxes. So, like the collections. They come in a tray. There they are. We'll just put that there. And we're back to cellophane. Wish they'd find another way. Maybe like a large foil pack or something. The cellophane ones are a pain in the ass to try to open, but we got it this time. So let's take a look at what we have here. Cole Caulfield. That corner's a little dinged. Trevor Zegras. Jeremy Swayman. Alex Canuck. New Hook. Spencer Knight. Not doing too bad for Florida. Desenko, Jamie Drysdale, Quentin Byfield, Callan Addison, Ross Colton, Shane Pinto. He's going to swallow his mouth guard. Maciver Blvd, Yelanin, Jones, Holtz, Lundqvist, Cole Perfetti, and we got Morris Snyder. Apparently a lot of people are raising the price of that card. Vasily Podgolfin, Kadolzin. Okay. Lucas Raymond, Tomasino, Lindell, and Mason McTavish, William Eklund, and Jake Neighbors. Well, I don't have a select box because I don't see any autos here. I haven't seen any autos in any of these boxes since I got those two in the 15-16. So anyways, that's our break for today. If you like the video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos or to participate in our contest with $100 worth of cards, 4 hits here, or rookie class, the winner gets to pick as soon as we get to 100 subscribers. And if you've got something that you'd like to add, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Let us know what you think. Oh, I knocked the Stanley Cup around. Well, the Leafs are out now, unfortunately. Or if you want, just put it in the comments who you think is going to win the cup. Anyways, that's our video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next break. Bye now.